It is a what's in the box look, and it is the 1987 Suzuki Jimny JA71 JCU from Hasegawa Hobby Kits. Now this is going to be round 3 of the Suzuki Jimny tooling. Then this one is backdated to 1987. So I'm just going to be focusing on the parts that make this the 1987 Suzuki Jimny. If you want to see what the entire kit, I'll provide a link to the very first Suzuki Jimny that covers the entire kit. So let's see what is in the box. Started and take a look at the new parts for this version of the kit, and it is right here. And it's going to be this little bit of the parts tree, which consists of the front and rear bumpers and the front grille. So that pretty much is it on the new parts for the Jimny. Alright, so now let's take a look at the decal sheet. As you see up top is typical or standard Jimny decals. Down here you have some exterior decals for the body. Obviously you have you can see you have 3 choices depending on what color you paint the body. Lots of choices to choose from. Alright, so there you have it, folks. That is the 1987 Suzuki Jimny JA71 JCU from Hasegawa. And of course, you can get factory colors for the Suzuki Jimny from Scale Finishes. So on that note, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.